artist and designer from Ukraine. In HED, I studied at the Master Design Installation, the new name of Master Space in Communication. It's always difficult in the beginning, and I think HED is helping a lot with this transition, especially with the exposure you get during the diploma show, which is quite special, I think, compared to other universities. You know, they really help you to reach a certain level with your diploma project. We had very different workshops. That was the most exciting part, that each semester you would encounter new professors, new tutors, new collaborators, amazing trips abroad with the projects. I just think even the idea that everything is possible if you want to learn, that's what HED definitely gave me. And also just opportunities, connections, kind of mentors that I still have. So yes, definitely very fruitful and important part of my life.